Hello. Chinese has lots of idioms, as does English. In fact, English has so many idioms that today we'll confine our idioms to idioms about birds. Look at the following situation.
All right, how you doing?
Good fine.
You see the game last night?
Oh, it was a cracker, wasn't it?
It was.
Oh, what a goal.
Liverpool, they were very unlucky.
The Beatles are from Liverpool, I think.
What?
Yeah.
We're talking about football, Andrew.
Talking about.
British football.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm from Australia. I don't follow it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
Hey, do you want a cigarette?
Oh, yeah. One of these. Can I have one?
Sure.
Actually, the cigarette smoke hurts my eyes. I'd rather you didn't smoke.
Oh, well, we're just going to stay here and smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll talk to those people.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you.
He's a bit of a strange one, isn't he?
Yes, he doesn't quite fit in.
No, he doesn't. No.
So, which of the following bird idioms applies to that situation? The early bird catches the worm. Birds of a feather flock together. To kill two birds with one stone. To have a little bird tell you. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. That's right. Birds of the same feather will flock together. In other words, people who are similar often become friends or join together.